I stand before you with a heart filled with gratitude
Help me
and
welcome
faithfulness.
our radiant
This journey was never something I
Venus
imagined for myself.
2025.
I was
Palakpakan po
encouraged to
natin.
try, guided to take each step, and gently reminded to believe in myself, even in moments when I doubted whether I could do it. This experience taught me that being a beauty queen is never just about beauty, intelligence, or elegant posture. It is about having a kind heart, a strong spirit, and the courage to lift others up along the way. It is about standing with humility, embracing differences, and creating a sense of unity that goes beyond any crowd. Along this journey, I also learned that no matter what people say, staying true to yourself and believing in your own strength can turn what seems impossible into something you can achieve. Agyaman naklaunay kada kayo amin. Lalo kay Apo nga nang ted itilakas ng loob ken ti blessing tapno maarpad ko ti pagkamis minats ko. Ken dagiti naganak ko ken iti kapamilya no awan kayo nga nang suporta kanya mapakwartaman wenno sao awan na kuma itoy ita. Ken Sir Jack, ken Sir Floydy nga nang pilpilit kanya kasumali ti kastoy a pageant. Agpaiso iti kinanayo nga sa balilata no malagitda iti dagat ko nga haanlang patungkol iti academic sir. Ken Ate Femina ken dagiti kakadwana nga nang suro kanyak makasano ang grampa. Thank you ate, ti kinaanos yu, ken ti pinagpapapintas yu kanya. Ken Kuya Nathaniel ken Abe, nga uray no haanda nga nakabuya ini, haanda nga pulos ang nagkurang iti panagsuportada kanyak, uray no kulkulit at isuda no anya iti mas napinpintas pay nga maisumbat ko. Ken dagiti gagayem ko ken kaklasek nga uray no kaskasano ket haanda nga na uma nga nagsuporta kanya uray no marabyandan wenno mapelwanda kanya ko. Ken Sir Dario nga uray no haan ko na obra iti trabaho nga pagka-officer ko idi. Thank you sir iti pinagsuporta yu lata kanya. I am deeply thankful to everyone. Your trust became my strength and your support became my courage. As I take my final walk on this stage, I do so with a heart full of gratitude, memories, and lessons that will stay with me forever. I carry with me the courage to keep growing, the desire to make a difference, and the reminder that true beauty shines brightest when it comes from within. Once again, I am Liam Jasmine Guerrero Palayan, your Miss Venus 2025.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating reigning queen, Miss Venus 2025.